Hi everyone, this is a short video just to show you how to install PostgreSQL on your Windows machine using Windows Subsystem for Linux and VSCode. Now you do need two things. First is the Windows Subsystem for Linux. The second thing is VSCode installed. Now let's get started. First, you open your terminal in your VSCode. You type in sudo apt update. This will fetch all the updated packages on the website. And then you just type sudo apt install PostgreSQL, PostgreSQL contribution. This will install the package. Since I have already installed it, it's not going to do anything. You can check your version by typing PostgreSQL psql -- version, and my version is 12.9. Depending on the time you're watching this video, you may have other version, but 12.ish is usually very stable. Just like other database management system, you do have an admin user. The admin user is called Postgres. Now to use that user, I recommend you to first set out the password for the user. So you can type in sudo password Postgres, and then you will get a prompt, and you just enter your password twice. Once you have done that, you can do sudo service PostgreSQL start, and this will start your server. Now you can check your status of the server by just typing sudo service PostgreSQL status, and it will show, okay, now my server is online. You can apparently stop your server by just typing that. It's pretty straightforward. Now, to use the database, you need to use the Postgres account. So just type su postgres and your password you just set up, and this will change the user in here. Okay, now if you want to head back to your normal user, in my case just my name, and I just type in my password, and we'll just jump out to my previous page. Okay, yep. So you can type all your PostgreSQL command here. You can check how many databases you have. You can create some dummy database, and do all sorts of things from here. Now, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.